Hey guys, I hope you all are well. I am Sunita and I welcome you on my channel Lovable Plants. In today's video, I would like to show you these colorful plants known as Coleus. Coleus is a tender tropical plant native to areas bordering the equator. In warmer zones, you can grow Coleus as garden perennials. Coleus plants are not at all frost tolerant, so don't rush to get your plant in the ground if they are in container. Wait until temperatures remain reliably above 15 degrees Celsius before you plant them in the garden. As you can see, I have different varieties of Coleus plants. You can see all these have beautiful colorful leaves and they all are different from each other. Their leaves have different color combination and each plant has different pattern. If you look at shape of their leaves, even that is not same for all plants. Now let's talk about how to take care of these colorful plants. Coleus is a classic part shade or full shade plant. If you live in a hot, dry area, all types of these plants will need some shade, especially in the afternoon. In cooler areas, the shade Coleus will need more sun exposure to help them warm up. If you grow these plants in containers indoors, usually they get plenty of lights from indirect sun during the warmer, bright months, but they may need to be exposed to filtered sunlight during the winter. These plants need sunlight in all seasons. These plants don't like too much water, however, their soil should be consistently moist. They may die due to root rot in case you overwater these plants. At the same time, if you won't water them regularly, they will start wilting their leaves and their growth will also slow down. You need to water them carefully, and the best way is to check the soil first. If the top 2 inches of soil is dry, then water this plant. Always ensure that the drainage hole is open so that the extra water exits easily. You should prepare well-draining soil mix for your plant. You can add 1 portion good quality garden soil, 1 portion coco peat, 1 portion perlite, 1 portion vermicompost and half portion bone meal to prepare soil mix for these plants. As a tropical plant, Coleus thrives in hot, humid conditions. These plants don't like frost. Even the slightest frost may kill these plants. You can bring these plants indoor during winter. Keep indoor plants away from air conditioner vents and other cold spots. You can place humidifier near these plants to increase humidity and keep indoor temperature above 20 degrees Celsius. You can place them outside once temperature goes above 21 degrees Celsius. You can feed these plants on monthly basis with balanced house plant fertilizer. To get fully bush plant, pinch out the growing tips when the plants are about 6 inches tall. Pinch under the flower buds if you want the plant to spend its energy on leaves and not flowers and seeds. If you don't prune your plant, then they tend to get leggy. You should prune these plants on regular basis. In order to propagate Coleus, you can go for stem cutting method. Cut a 4 to 6 inch long stem tip, then remove all leaves from the lower half of the cutting. Dip the end of the cutting in the rooting hormone compound, then plant it in a moist potting soil. Place the container in a plastic bag, making sure the plastic doesn't touch the cutting. You can place the covered cutting in a bright, warm location until new roots develop, which will take 2 to 3 weeks. Once the root grow, remove the plastic and continue to grow the plant in a bright, warm location. Coleus is usually not bothered by diseases unless the weather turns cool and damp. If that happens, expect to see signs of fungal diseases. If you are growing your plant indoor, watch out for scale, white flies and especially mealybugs. You can protect them from these pests by regularly cleaning their leaves. If you see any pest attack, then wipe all its leaves with wet cloth and check for recurrence. In case required, you can do organic neem oil spray by adding 1 ml neem oil in 1 liter water. Coleus plants are toxic to human and animals, so always make sure that you place them away from your pets and kids. This is all about Coleus plant care. Please share with me in the comment section how do you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button, and to see more such videos, please consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.